Hey everyone, welcome to Goa Sound Academy's brand new Physics Made Simple series. Over the next few episodes, we are breaking down tough physics concepts into quick, easy explanations so you can finally understand without cramping or confusion. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next parts of this series. Why does everything from a pencil to a planet fall the same way? Let's zoom out from your room to the entire universe. Then drop a cricket ball and a pencil together. They hit the ground almost at the same time, at least if we ignore air resistance. That's gravity at work. But the truth is much bigger. Every single object in the universe is pulling on every other object, not just Earth pulling on these. Newton discovered that any two masses attract each other. The strength of that pull grows if the objects are heavier and weakens if they are further apart. Think of it like invisible threads connecting everything, from your body and your chair to the Earth and the Moon. Earth's pull on the Moon keeps it in orbit, preventing it from flying off into space. The Moon's pull on Earth creates tides, making the oceans rise and fall. Even you and the person next to you are technically attracting each other. But the force is so tiny, you'll never notice it. Imagine shrinking the Earth down to the size of a marble but keeping its mass the same. Even though it's small now, its gravitational pull on nearby objects would remain unchanged because gravity depends on mass and distance, not size. That's why massive planets like Jupiter can bend the path of comets even from far away. Gravity isn't just about falling apples. It shapes galaxies, forms stars, and decides the path of planets. The next time you see something fall, remember you're witnessing the same force that keeps the entire cosmos together. Try dropping two objects different from each other today and see for yourself how gravity works. And imagine the invisible web of attraction that connects everything you can see and even everything you can see. If you find this explanation eye-opening, imagine what's coming next. Drop a comment with the physics topic you struggle with most, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's preparing for exams. Episode 2 of our Physics Made Simple series is coming up. Don't miss it.